to do this silver magic again. Welcome back to Mac Shack. And I will insert some pictures of the drying tabletop that I did. That's going to be, I'm trying to emulate it because somebody has asked me to make them one for their wall. And I'm trying to emulate it to see before I go big. So this is, I don't know what this is. This is, I don't know. It's rectangular. That's all I can say. That's all I'm saying on that, okay? So here we go. We're just going to do it again. Last time I painted the piece of wood. I'm not going to do that with this canvas. I am just going to kind of flood it with the silver or gray, whatever you call it. And I am going to squish it around with a knife. It's a cake decorating knife. And I have goopy stuff in my paint. Can't have that. And I hope you guys have had a great day. It's been a really good, productive day for me. Just working on some new and exciting things. So, anyway, I don't really know what else to say. Just working on some stuff. That's all I know. That's all I know. Working on some stuff. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to do two pours. I'm going to do, two puddles. Puddle and puddle is what I'm going to do. Okay? Let me get this cleaned off so I can put it up. Alright. Here we go. Starting with our puddles, okay? I know there's some bubbles on here. I'll pop the bubbles when I'm done. Okay? And I need to get some paint on the sides, and some of it will automatically just drip over and cover the sides. I'm not really too concerned with that. That happens naturally. So as I say that, I'm, trying to cover the sides because I don't know. Am I OCD? I don't know. Can y'all answer that? Don't answer that. Sometimes you ask questions you don't really want to know the answers. Okay, here we go. We're going to start with the puddles. I'm trying not to do too much black. Although last time I did black, I thought I was a little heavy on my black. However, it came out really good. So we're just going to do, that's black, that's white. I spilt the white, but it's okay. Here's a little bit of gold and gold. And of course, I'm going to come back with the iridescent glitter paint again. It has a blue tint. I just can't describe it. Although this time, shaking it up. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm shaking the camera. This time, I'm going to do a touch of copper. When I say a touch, I think that's all I'm going to put in there. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So, I don't know. I might have been messing up by doing that, but we will see what's going on with that. So we'll see if this is going to be enough. And then I don't know. I'm a little nervous. I always get nervous during a pour. I don't know why. That went on the floor. Okay, this shouldn't take as long as the other one. Of course, we sped it up in the editing of the video. More iridescent. I'm trying to empty this cup out so I can fill it back up. And, of course, you know what I do is I come back with the silver or gray, whatever you want to call it. It's a mixture of several colors. Let me put the top on so I don't make a hell of a mess. Well, maybe I won't because I don't know where the top is currently. Holy camole, that's dangerous. Can you say dangerous? Dangerous. Okay. We're just living on the ding-dang edge. Speaking of edge, all this stuff is pouring over the side. Y'all, I'm sorry I lied. I'm going to hit a little bit more copper right here. I could be messing up. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, here we go. I'm going to pop the bubbles. dog always is very interested when I pop the bubbles. All right, of course we'll pop the bubbles again when we're done. Okay, but let's get this blow dryer out. You never know what you're going to get, y'all. Never, ever know. You never know. So, I'm going to pop the bubbles again, and then I'm going to bring you down for a closer look. This may be a winner, and this may not be a winner, okay? You just don't ever know how it's going to turn out. See if we can get any sale activity coming up. Ooh, I see something really cool happening. I don't know, y'all. Not a fan. However, comma. We'll see how it dries. Okay. Here you go. Let's see. There are some interesting things going on here. So, can you see that? Is it too close? I don't know. I'll take another separate video after. All right. I'm not a fan, really. It's definitely not as pretty as the other one. But we'll see. And then I'm going to pull up and show you the big, hopefully. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Here's some better pictures. Well, I say better. I haven't even looked at the other ones yet. Okay, y'all. So, I don't really like it as much. But we'll see how it dries. This little spot right here is giving me heck. And I may continue to fool with it. We will see. But I'm going to take some pictures of the other one that I did just previous to this one. And post them here on this video. Or, on this YouTube video. Just remember, y'all, if you like the video, hit subscribe and the notification button. So you can be notified when I upload new videos. Alright, y'all. Here we go. Remember what I said. Love one another. Wash your ding-dang hands. Too much sickness going on. Love one another.